Hello, thanks for joining me. This is going to be a very quick video just to show you how I've got my GPS system mounted on my Triumph Scrambler 1200. I've had a few people asking me about it after watching my Scrambler videos, saying, you know, how have you got that mounted, how have you got it set up? So I thought the easiest thing to do was just show you, make a quick video to show you. So here we go. I've zoomed right in here so you can see. So this is my TomTom. I have this sunshade on it, which is just a cheap item I got off eBay. Fastens on with these elastic straps at the back, goes on, very effective, works nicely. And then I've got the TomTom mounted on the standard TomTom mount. This is a pivot mount actually, by the way, so you can turn it either way, but I tend to keep it in that landscape mode. So here's the mount. And I've got it fastened on with a ram ball system and then a short ram ball arm. So I've got loads of these things, so here's a spare one. So that's the actual ram ball mount that I'm using, and it's mounted on the bottom of the handlebar with the ball pointing away from you when you're sat on the bike. And then I've got the shortest arm here. This is the arm that I'm using. That's 2.5 inches long is that arm. And what I find then is if I put the GPS back on, it means that I can get the TomTom tucked in just slightly in front of the mirror stem here. So I can clearly see the instruments. I'll give you line of sight so you can see what I mean. But when I'm sat on the bike, I can clearly see all my instruments. But I like having the TomTom here close to my left hand. It means that I can just reach up and use the touchscreen controls when I'm riding along. Whereas if I had the TomTom mounted above the instrument cluster, you've really got to lean forward then to get to it. I don't like it. It's just more convenient here, just to be able to, you know, lift your left hand off and work the screen. In order to be able to use the ram ball system, the TomTom mount, you need this ram ball plate, which there's the 4 bolts on the back, and it's designed specifically for this TomTom system. So it means you've got your ram ball at the back, and then you can put that on the clamp.